Hey there, lovebirds! If you're dreaming of a wedding that's as unique as your love story, you're in for a treat. Today, I'm your guide into the magical world of cruise ship weddings. Picture this, saying "I do," surrounded by the vast ocean, gentle sea breeze, and the promise of adventure. So, fasten your seatbelts, or in this case, your life vests, as we embark on a journey to discover the 10 best cruise ships for weddings. Ship 1. The Romantic Oasis. Our first stop on this love-filled voyage is the Romantic Oasis. As the name suggests, this ship is a paradise for couples seeking an intimate and romantic setting. Imagine exchanging vows under the starlit sky on the deck, with the sound of the ocean waves serenading your love. The Romantic Oasis offers cozy cabins, perfect for a romantic escape and a truly special start to your happily ever after. Ship 2. Nautical Elegance. Next up, we have the Nautical Elegance. This ship boasts a timeless charm with its classic design and elegant decor. The wedding venues on board are nothing short of breathtaking. From the grand ballroom with panoramic ocean views to the charming outdoor spaces for a sunset ceremony. Nautical Elegance combines sophistication with the simplicity of the sea, creating an enchanting atmosphere for your big day. Ship 3. Tropical Bliss. For those dreaming of a tropical paradise wedding, look no further than the Tropical Bliss cruise ship. With destinations that include palm-fringed beaches and crystal-clear waters, this ship brings the magic of the tropics to your wedding day. You can exchange vows with your toes in the sand, or choose a deck overlooking the turquoise sea. Tropical Bliss is not just a cruise, it's a journey to a love-filled oasis. Ship 4. Adventure Awaits. If you're a couple that craves adventure, our fourth pick, Adventure Awaits, is tailor-made for you. This cruise ship combines the thrill of exploration with the joy of celebration. Picture a wedding ceremony on the upper deck as the ship sails towards exotic destinations. Adventure Awaits ensures that your wedding is not only a celebration of love, but also an unforgettable journey into the unknown. Ship 5. Serenity at Sea. For those seeking tranquility, Serenity at Sea is the perfect choice. This ship offers a serene and peaceful setting for your wedding, with spa-like amenities and private, intimate spaces. Serenity at Sea lets you escape the hustle and bustle of the world and focus on what truly matters: your love. A spa day, a sunset ceremony, and a starlit reception. Your wedding day couldn't get more blissful than this. Ship 6. Whimsical Waters. Enter the whimsical world of Whimsical Waters, our sixth pick that adds a touch of magic to your wedding. This cruise ship is designed for couples who want a fairy tale wedding experience. From themed decor to enchanting entertainment, Whimsical Waters turns your wedding day into a storybook romance. Get ready to dance under twinkling lights and create memories that feel straight out of a fairy tale. Ship 7. Sunset Serenade. There's something inherently romantic about sunsets, and the Sunset Serenade cruise ship capitalizes on this natural beauty. This ship is crafted for couples who want to exchange vows as the sun dips below the horizon. With its panoramic views and warm color palette, Sunset Serenade offers a picture-perfect setting for a romantic and unforgettable wedding ceremony. Ship 8. Coastal Charm. Our eighth pick, Coastal Charm, combines the best of coastal aesthetics with the luxury of a cruise. This ship takes you along picturesque coastlines, providing a stunning backdrop for your wedding. Whether it's a seaside ceremony on the deck or a coastal-inspired reception in the ballroom, Coastal Charm ensures your wedding is a celebration of love and the beauty of the sea. Ship 9. Secluded Sanctuary. For those desiring an intimate and secluded wedding, our ninth pick, Secluded Sanctuary, is the answer. This cruise ship offers private cabins and exclusive spaces, allowing you to celebrate your love in peace. With a focus on privacy and personalized service, Secluded Sanctuary ensures that your wedding day is a truly intimate affair, surrounded only by the ones who matter most. Ship 10. Oceanic Opulence. Our final destination in this romantic journey is the Oceanic Opulence cruise ship. As the name suggests, this ship exudes opulence and luxury. From the grand ballrooms to the gourmet dining options, Oceanic Opulence is designed for couples who want to celebrate their love in style. Imagine a wedding that's not just a ceremony, but a lavish celebration of your journey together. And there you have it, the 10 best cruise ships for weddings, each offering a unique blend of romance, adventure, and luxury. Whether you're drawn to the intimate charm of the Romantic Oasis or the opulent allure of Oceanic Opulence, These cruise ships promise a wedding day that's as extraordinary as your love story. So, as you set sail on the sea of matrimony, may your love be as boundless as the ocean, and your happiness as endless as the horizon. Happy planning, lovebirds.